relationships. You have relationships where you have an individual that's going, they're working. It could be the husband or the wife, or it could be both. And all the time is putting to work, and there's no time put into each other, and no time put into the family. So what are some things that we can do to?
So step one is assessing the situation to determine if there is an issue or not. And the next step is, if you're not sure, ask your partner, ask your spouse.
Yeah.
So have a nice dinner together and ask, how is our marriage? What is working? What is not working? And do we need to spend more time addressing anything? Do we need to spend more time celebrating what we have? How do we want to spend the time that we have together? So it's having that open conversation, first with yourself and then with your spouse.